how to use Word and Excel applications for Windows 10 for free. Practically nothing additional is required from you. The only thing that is required is a licensed Windows 10 and a Microsoft account. But every PC user will have the main question: what is the deception? Why can every Windows 10 user, despite the fact that Word and Excel are paid applications, can use them for free? The answer is because Microsoft itself gave to the go-ahead. And watch what we do next. To begin with, in the search box, look for an Office program or click on the Start button and look for Office in the list of programs. As you can see, our program was found pretty quickly. Launch the program. When the Office application has opened, we see how the program itself represents all types of Office programs that are included in the Microsoft Office Online package. These are Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, OneNote, Skype. All of these programs are included in the latest Microsoft Office 365. But the most important of all these programs, which Microsoft puts a strong emphasis on, is OneDrive. This is now the backbone of the basics. You have probably already heard that Microsoft changes its policy, and since 2014 the famous operation system Windows 10 has lost its maximum priority. Microsoft itself told about cloud computing, and OneDrive is one of such examples. Now all documents stored in OneDrive can be accessed by every user right in browser from any PC, Android or iOS devices. And you will not able to use 365 or Microsoft Office 2019 package, but a cloud service based on OneDrive. In other words, you open your browser, log into your OneDrive account, and only then the OneDrive offers to either create a new document or open an existing one. By the way, I would like to say thank you to the well-known giant, the Google company, which has long ago published its program Google Docs, which became the main competitor to Microsoft Office. It was Google that started the hype to cloud programs. In turn, Microsoft, in order not to concede the competition, made a similar trick, which I practically did not talk about. This is understandable because the Microsoft Office software package is paid and costs about $120, and not everyone wants to buy such expensive software. Why give it out openly and free of charge if people buy? However, you can purchase the desktop version of the program. To do this, you should log into your account, click on the purchase button and follow the purchase points. And this video comes to end. Subscribe to the channel, write comments, likes, and all the best.